Now I will show you how Traffix generate traffic and leads completely automatically. So you see here this form. This form says enter your email and get amazing gifts by referring your friends. Now all this text can be customized from the settings area. Now what happens is when a visitor enter their email address to get a gift and hit submit. For an example, I'm going to use an email and hit submit, and immediately I'll see a referral link. Say, hey, thank you for signing up, and here's your referral link. And if you share this with your friends, and for referrals, for a certain number of referrals, you will get an additional gift. And people will share and refer more people, more traffic to that link to get that additional gift. And everyone hits that link will visit the same page, and they will get an offer to get more gifts, and the same loop will continue over and over and over again. I just sent a referral, and when you refresh, you'll see there is one referral here. That's how the dashboard looks like. And everything can be customized. You can customize these emails. You can add your chosen subject line, how many referrals required for getting an additional gift, and then just save settings. Save changes. And you can add more and more triggers. And yes, everyone signs up using this form, joins your autoresponder list automatically. You have to set up your autoresponder from the settings area. Yeah, that's it. That's how the traffic gets more and more traffic. So referral traffic, viral traffic is built in with Traffix.